Myself, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today, our second year mechanical research students they have to explain the case studies which is related to the four-bar mechanisms and how it can be used in the different sector and how they have to minimize the cost of the particular applications and all they have to explain. Actually, in my previous class, I already discussed about the different types of machines and what are the basic difference between the machines and structure and machine and mechanisms and all discussed based on my previous class. Today our students they are elaborate the case studies which is related to the four-bar mechanisms as well as the cycle crank mechanisms and how they have to apply in the different real-world applications. Okay.
Myself, Nandakishwar of second year E1 Mech, College of SNS College of Technology. This is the mechanism that is used in locomotive engines, IC engines, etc. N number of engines are used by this mechanism. This is called crankshaft. This is connecting rod that connects the links with the piston or crank, slotted lever, etc. These type of crankshaft are used by SS and copper with n number of components of alloy. This is the gudgeon pin to link the lever by this way. If the crankshaft runs, the levers are wear and tear with the help of lubrication. But when the not oil is over by the oil drain hole, the lubrication is not there. By it causes a wear and tear, exact like this uneven shape of thread.
So he exactly says once we are not providing the proper lubrication means automatically the frictions will be provided in between these two moving parts. Like we have to take any piston or connecting rod or either a piston or piston rod. So the lubrication is the major part to avoid the wear and tear. So this is also one of the major case study which will be focused on how we are reducing the wear and tear.
This is the gudgeon pin. The mostly have wear in the gudgeon pin by connecting rod to link the piston. The piston goes roughly 10,000 RPM or above in 1 minute. So my case study is change the material of the connecting rod, lever and crankshaft with the proper composite materials like cast iron and aluminium and mild steel with a mixture of correct ratio. If the locomotives are runs without lubrication, so the connecting rods and levers are driven like with heat and friction. The two materials are run by touch by the fully precious parts. There are wear and tear. So the materials are hard and without lubrication the material can run by itself. My case is change the material of the lever and crankshaft by carbon fiber with adding the carbon fiber can withstand up to 250 degree and 350 degree Celsius of heat without any tears. My case study is changing the material with correct ratio of alloy materials. Thank you.
Myself, I'm going to say about today's connecting rod. Connecting rod is the main component of the engine. It has a small push rod and a big push rod and the bolt and the wheel and the chain cap. It is the main component of the engine. It has another main con rod and it connected to the piston to crankshaft. It is the main component to run the engine. Thank you.
Myself Rohit and tell about four advantages. Simple design and low cost, smooth motion and reliable operation. Thank you.
Myself Vishnu Kumar, application, door closing mechanism, pump mechanism, and industrial processes used in the applications.
So actually, these guys have explained in the two different case studies. One is they have to select the Weber mechanism. He says we have to select the proper lubrications. So lubrication means normally we have to select the oils. Instead of oils, we have to use some of the other coolant. We have to select the different coolant means automatically we can reduce the heat. This is the first one case study. Second one, he exactly says that we are having different components like crank, connecting rod, and liver. So other materials also. So generally in our locomotive engines, they have to put the MS steel. So yeah, instead of MS steel, we have that our student says instead of MS steel, they have to incorporate the other composite material means automatically we can either increase the timing or we can reduce the wear and tear. So a number of advantages we have to produced by this case study. Okay. So last we can summarize this case study.
Yes, sir. We see what are the components and the crankshaft and connecting rods we are seeing today.
Okay, nice. So in our next class, we have to discuss about the another case studies which is related to the slider crank mechanisms. Thank you.
Thank you.